Hello everyone, this is your 10th online lecture of 3rd chapter Advanced JavaScript. In previous lecture we have seen JavaScript do while loop. In today's class we are going to study simple JavaScript program based on switch case. What is switch case? Syntax of switch case. Program to print 4 different greeting messages using switch case. Program to print addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of two numbers using switch case except number from user. Now let's see what is switch case. The switch statement is used to perform different action on different condition. The switch statement execute a block of code depending on different cases. The switch statement is a part of JavaScript conditional statement which are used to perform different action based on different conditions. Now see the syntax of switch case. Now see the syntax of switch case. Now this is your switch keyword. We have to use switch keyword. Then in bracket, this is your round bracket. So in bracket you have to give the expression, or you can send the number or string. Then after that curly bracket start, and here you have to give different conditions or cases. Case X, for example, in case X the particular code you have to execute, so write here. Then break, so break is a keyword used to break the statement. Then case Y, again code block means you have to run the statement, so you have to write here. Then again break the block. Then at the end you have to display default statement. If the case is not match, then it will execute last statement, that is your default code block. Then curly bracket, this curly bracket complete. So this is the syntax of switch case. Now this is how it works. The switch expression is evaluated. The switch expression, this expression is evaluated once. The value of the expression is compared with the value of each case. The value of the expression is compared with value of each case. This X, Y. If there is a match, the associated block of the code is executed. If there is no match, the default, if there is a no match, then default code block is executed. This one, this default code block is executed. Now what is break keyword? When JavaScript reaches a break keyword, it breaks out the switch block. Breaks out the switch block means if the condition is matched, then this particular code will get executed. Then after break, so it break the switch block, means this block, it's come out this block. This will stop the execution of inside block. So this is your inside block. If it is not necessary to break the last case in a switch block, the block breaks ends there is anyway. Default keyword, default means this last one, default keyword. Default keyword specify the code to run if there is a no case match. If there is no case match means if this cases is not match, then it will execute the default statement. So this is your syntax of switch statement, switch case. Now let's see the program. Let's see thoroughly with example. So what is code? Program to print 4 different greetings messages using switch case. Now see the code. We will execute this code first. So this is your code. I type in notepad first. So basic structure: HTML, head, title, give any title, title close, head close. Then script, body, script language is equal to, in double quotes, JavaScript. Variable declaration, so variable is message msg is equal to 2. Here I give constant value 2. Now write switch case, switch in bracket this variable. So in variable msg and bracket complete. So this 2 will get here. Then curly bracket start, write the cases. So there are 4 different cases and last one is the default case. So case 1 is case space 1 colon. Then alert, alert means your message box, in bracket double quotes hello. So this will print hello message box, then breaks semicolon. Case 2 same for same as case 1, case 2 colon alert welcome message break. Then case 3 alert how are you break. Case 4 alert take care goodbye break. So these are your greeting messages. And last one is if the case is not matched, then it will print invalid choice, that is your alert. Here you don't have to break the statement because this is your last statement, so you don't have to write break statement, break keyword. Clear? Then curly bracket complete, script close, HTML close. Save this file, that is switch example1.html. then run the file. So see how to run. Go to your folder, open with Internet Explorer. Then this is your pop-up, right click, allow block content, click on yes. So see, this is second message, message msg is equal to 2. So msg is equal to 2 is what? Welcome. So here it will print welcome message. Clear? So this is your switch case 1 example. Now see second example. Now see second example. So this is your first example, we have already studied. Then see the second example. Program to print addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of two numbers using switch case except number from user. Here I give any number. So here we want input from user. Let's see the code. HTML, head title, title close, head close, body, bg color cyan, text color blue. Then in center, then h1 tag. So I have to give one form name is equal to f1. Enter first number, so enter first number. After that here it will display the text box. So text box means input type is equal to text, name is equal to t1. Then br enter second number, input type is equal to text, name is equal to T2 BR. Clear? After that, enter your choice. So here I have put choices. Enter your choice between 1 to 4. There are 4 cases, so here I have to give the choice. Here we have to ask the user for choice 1 to 4. Input type is equal to text, name is equal to T3. Clear? So here we have create 3 text boxes. Then one button, input type is equal to button, name is equal to B1, value is equal to check, and this is your event handler, and click is a event. So on click C capital is equal to which method I have to call, res, that is result. So this is your brackets, double quotes complete, bracket complete. Then this form will complete. Close the form, close the center tag and close the h1 tag. Then body tag complete. Now this is your scripting part. So script language is equal to JavaScript. Then this is your function res, which I have called. So curly bracket start, variable declaration where a, b, c. So 3 inputs a, b, c. Enter first number, enter first number, enter second number, enter third number, and this is your calculation part. So my result will get stored in R variable. So a is equal to passed in p small I capital, this is your one word in bracket f1 dot t1 dot value, this is your first input. Then b is equal to passed int f1 dot t2 dot values. Clear? Then c is equal to passed int f1 dot t3 dot value. So I have to take t3 input from user. Passed in means it converts the string value into integer and store it in your particular variable. Then switch case. So switch in bracket c. This is your a and b for calculation. A plus b, a minus b. For that we use a and b value, and c means your choice. Suppose I want to do addition, so it run the addition wala code. Suppose I want division, so it will go to the division block and execute the division part. Clear? So switch in bracket c. Then curly bracket start cases. Case 1 colon r is equal to a plus b. Alert addition is plus r, so it will print the addition ka value. Then break. Clear? Next, case 2 r is equal to a minus b. Alert subtraction is plus r, so subtraction. Then break. Case 3 alert r is equal to a into b, so alert multiplication is plus r. Break. Clear? So these are the cases. Case 4 division, r is equal to a divides b. Alert division is plus r. Break. Then this is your last statement, that is your default statement. So alert invalid choice, where when it comes, if you put 5 value, so it will go to the default block, so it will print invalid choice. Curly bracket complete, and this curly bracket means this is your function curly bracket complete, and this is your switch curly bracket complete. Then script close, HTML close. Now let's see the output. right click, open with Internet Explorer. So this is your form. Right click, allow block content, click on yes. So enter first number, enter second number. So 100 and enter second number is 5. Enter your choice between 1 to 4. Suppose I have given 5. So it will print invalid choice. Clear? Then I have put 1. 1 means addition. Addition is 105. Clear? Suppose I am put 2. 2 means subtraction. 95. Clear? Then 3. 3 means multiplication. 500. Clear? Then 4. 4 is division. Answer is 20. Clear? So this is called your switch case. So this is your output. Suppose I have put 10. 10 means invalid value, invalid choice. Clear? So this is your output of the second program. Now, so this is the switch case statement. Now I will give you some assignment on the basis of whatever you have observing in the video. So you will try to answer. If you are not able to answer, kindly go through the video again. The questions are: when we used switch case, study all the above example, type all the code in your notepad and execute all the above code. Check the output and note down in your notebook. Clear? So that's it. Thank you.